about these 2 deaths. We're getting media calls at UGA about all these. And our basic stance was, we are going to wait for the data and have the data dictate the policy rather than do a knee-jerk reaction and do something right now. The public was demanding something right now. And we said, no. We're going to sit tight. We're going to get this data done. We're going to present the data and make a policy. That put additional pressure on us because that means we had to process everything a lot faster. Because if we didn't get a policy changed in 2012 and something happened, we would have been crucified. So we were pushing. So this is kind of our timetable of events. So we're recommended by funding by the NETA Research and Education Foundation in 08. We actually received the funding in 09. And so we started collection in 2009 through 11. We finished data collection in October of 11, and our meeting with the GHSA was I think it was the third weekend in January of 2012. And so that's a bunch of time to turn around 3 years of data, get it clean, ready for it, analyzed, and put it into a format that's usable. We had our meeting with the GHA executive and coaches. Again, we had leaders. We had the folks, as I mentioned before, Ron, Mike, and Jason. We had our research team there. And then we had the football executive coaches. So they had their 6 coaches. And we had the 2 folks from the GHSA executive. So that was the decision-making body. And then we made our rule recommendations. From there, it went to the GHSA legislative, which is the voting body of the Georgia High School Association. They actually passed it in their March meeting. And then the rule was implemented in the fall of 2012. And so we moved fairly quickly on all of this. But again, it was that partnership. It was a working together. And it was also, I mean, we had a perfect storm because of all the deaths we had. The GHSA